Welcome to my Mathcast. This Mathcast is intended for grade level 1s, and we are going to talk about how to classify shapes based on defining attributes and use examples. This Mathcast was created by Mary Hughes. Let's think about how we define shapes. We can define a shape by looking at its different attributes. Attributes is a word that means characteristics that each figure has. For example, if we take the triangle, we can see that a triangle can be defined using the following attributes: corners and straight sides. A triangle, we see, has 3 corners and 3 straight sides. Any closed figure with 3 corners and 3 straight sides is going to make a triangle. Shape B is a rhombus. A rhombus can be defined as a closed figure with 4 corners and 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shape C is what we know as a circle. Well, how do we define a circle with using attributes? Well, a circle has 0 corners and 0 straight sides. Let's look at this example. The directions say circle the shapes that have 3 straight sides. By following the directions, we are going to put a circle around this shape, and this shape. What do all 4 of these shapes have in common? Well, all 4 of these shapes have 3 straight sides, like it said in the directions. All 4 of these shapes also have 3 corners. So by looking at these 2 attributes or characteristics of these shapes, we can safely say that all 4 of these shapes can be considered triangles. Let's look at the attributes in the next question. Circle the shapes that have no corners. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to circle this shape, this shape, this shape, and this shape. All of these shapes have no corners, and with no corners, they have no straight sides. So therefore, these shapes can be considered circular or oval. Let's go over what we have learned. First of all, different shapes have different attributes, such as straight sides and the number of corners. We can use these attributes or characteristics to figure out what shape we are dealing with. In number 3, shapes may look different, but as long as they match the characteristics, they can be determined. For example, a square can look like this, but it can also look like either of these. Since all of these shapes have 4 equal sides and 4 square corners, they would fall into the category of square. The same can be said about triangles. All 4 of these shapes are all triangles, since all 4 of them have 3 straight sides with 3 corners. That is a triangle's attributes. Here's an example for you to try. Question number 5 says, which attributes or characteristics are the same for all of the shapes in group A? Here is group A. What can you tell me about each one of these shapes? Pause the video and try it on your own. Did you find that they all have 4 sides and they all have 4 square corners? Question number 6 reads, circle the shape that best fits with group A. this shape would best fit with group A because this shape also has 4 sides and 4 square corners. Using its attributes, you can group together the shapes that are the same and have the same characteristics. Thank you so much for watching my math cast. See you next time.